Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to Be Right Back, and yes, I'm back with another DIY installation and product review. So we have a lot of boxes here and there's more coming up for a review for this Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. So stay tuned. I think I'm gonna go with this one first. This is from UK. Okay, so what I have here is Evotech Performance for a radiator, coolant and oil guard from United Kingdom, Evotech. So you can see me. Actually, when I got my Yamaha XSR 900, I installed this Evotech Performance to my Yamaha XSR 900. I didn't have the XSR yet, but I already ordered this Evotech Performance for my Yamaha XSR 900 because I'd like to protect my investment. I think other provinces also here in Canada, they actually put gravel or sand on the road while winter times, and after winter at early spring or sometimes at mid-spring, there's still gravel that might hit your radiator and causing a problem while riding. So without further ado, I think it's time to unbox this Evotech. And this cost actually 235 Canadian dollars plus the custom fee of $21.81. So more or less it's 250 plus Canadian dollars for this. Here you go. So this is what's inside. Nice packaging, eh? So I believe this is for the coolant radiator or for the oil. Yeah, this is for the oil, and I think there are a couple of this inside. This is for the coolant radiator guards. So Evotech, thanks for securing my accessories for this awesome packaging of yours. Time to do the unwrapping. So let's start with this. Okay, so this is for the oil guard. Oh wow. Oh, it has this. Oh, I forgot. It's not only radiator guard. It also has the top, I think the exhaust thing. What do you call that? So this is for the here is what is that? I forgot the name. And this is the oil and coolant radiator guards that I'm talking about. There you go. Wow. So this is for radiator. Doesn't say Evotech. Why Evotech? This is too much wrap. But I like it. Again, thank you Evotech. You did a great job on wrapping this accessories. There's 6 stars. I'm gonna give you 6 stars. Oh my God! Wow! And the fast delivery, I thought it's gonna take 2 weeks, but 1 week, I guess, or less. Yeah, I think less than 1 week. I received this product already. And this is, oh my God, I have a tons of wrapping. So this is for the oil. Here you go. The oil guard, and this is for the coolant. Oil radiator guard, and this is for the coolant radiator guard or guards. Nice! I like the finish. Same as my XSR 900. For now, I'm gonna put this thing somewhere and I'm gonna try to install it right away or as soon as possible. Oh my God, I have a lot of wrapping paper, but awesome job. Here you go. Put it like that for now. Same as the other one. It was here. There we go. And now, time to install the Evotech coolant and oil radiator guards. From Evotech Performance. Now, time to roll the carpet.